Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And in this video, I am going to show you some sort of internship which is available in different categories. Total 6 to 7 internships are there, and these internships are for all. Whether you are a web developer or Android web development or management internship, different type of internships is available. Also, an internship for machine learning, which is related to data science. So please watch this video full so you get all the knowledge of this internship and you can find how you can apply for this internship. Also, the link of the these internships are given in the description. You just go through that, and also you can join my Telegram channel where I always post some notification which is necessary. If you want to apply for any type of internship which is not available on my YouTube channel, you can apply from there. So let's see. The first internship is from Maternally, and this is a web developer internship. You can see here. This internship is available in Bangalore. Location is Bangalore, but for in the now time means in a current time, the all works are remote. So this is a work from home internship. This is a front end full stack developer intern, and the total stipend you got for this is rupee 2.4 lakhs to 3 lakhs. And if you are from other national, then it is not for you because visa is not sponsorship by Maternally. And the skills required for this is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React Native, Angular, and TypeScript. You can see the job summary is not valuable here. So here you can see what you will going to do in after getting this internship. There are some job of UX and UI designers, CTO, and other development things you need to do. And after that, different type of things here, mainly related to user experience and, yeah, user interaction. So this type of things you need to do in this internship. And also, what are the required things you need to do means you have. So here you can see experience in this type of platform, just like GitHub, means you have some open source projects, and also knowledge of HTML, CSS, as I already mentioned. And different type of things are there. Also, knowledge of REST APIs are needed here. So this type of things needed, and also a good communication skills. And after that, if you going to apply for this, you need to have some this type of things which I mentioned in your resume. And you can apply from the link in the description, and just go through it here. And here is the column of apply now, and you just tap on that and apply for this. After that, you can find here different type of more internships are there, and also it is mentioned which type of internships are that. So here you can see mobile developer intern is also available. Means if you are a developer or Java developer or Kotlin developer, you can apply for this internship also. Also, for a machine learning and operation research engineer, optimization, and machine learning operation research intern, both internship is available. And the stipend for this internship are also very good. You can see here rupee 3.5 lakhs to 7 lakhs in available for this internship of machine learning. And also, backend and infrastructure developer intern is, if you wants to get this type of internship, you can go through this and apply for this. Also, marketing internship is available. Total 5 to 6 internship is available in Maternally, and you can apply for any type of internship from here now. And the application process is very easy for this. Just go through this button, apply now, and you need to create your account here, and you just apply for with your resume or with your LinkedIn account. So next thing is next internship, which is very valuable, and you all need to know about this. This is a city bank internship, and this internship is for management students. And if you are a college student, then this is for you, because here it is already mentioned this internship is for only for college student. And this is the category management development programs. This internship is called MRM internship and job family group. You can see here internship, and this is for college student. And you can find all the details if you go through the link in the description. And here it is mentioned currently enrolled in college and university. So here it is very easy to apply. Here you can see the button of apply now. When you click on this, you can apply for this internship. And only this type of information is given here, not all the information here given, what you are going to do and what is the required criteria by which they evaluate your resume or your skills. So this is not mentioned here. So you can just go through the here and just apply for this internship. Here it is option given is apply now. and when you tap on this, you find this tab. You can see it is opening, and here you can see you need to make your account, and after that you can apply for this internship. So I mentioned total 6 type of internship in this video. You can apply for all type of internship, and this is from a very good companies. And if you want this type of courses, videos, and also internship videos, so you can just join my channel, means subscribe my channel, and also just hit the notification button so you can get all notification from my channel. This much in this video. Thanks for watching, and meet in the next video with some informative knowledge. So thanks for watching.